Foot structures of birds. DIDACTYL, birds with only 2 toes. Ostriches are the only birds with 2 toes. Ostriches only have the digits 3 and 4. They have lost the helix and the second digit. The large 3rd toe bears most of the weight. The 4th toe assists with balance. However, it is the fastest animal on 2 legs. The smaller 4th digit and the main 3rd digit. The large claw on the big toe is used in defense, also when scratching for food and for nest construction. Interesting fact, the ostrich has been known to reach speeds of almost 70 kilometers an hour. Ostriches have powerful legs and feet. An ostrich chick seen from the back. The feet are large even at this young age.